Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Another week, more products to show you what I've purchased. Lovely time of year to be buying stuff around Christmas when should buy presents, and all I'm doing is buying myself stuff. So this week here I have the some goodies from Benchdogs. Now I've used Benchdogs for quite a while now. I've only purchased a few bits and pieces off over the time. One of them being their rail square, which is just a beautiful piece of engineering. It's such a great tool, really, to have on your rail. This one's a bit battered now. It's taking its time. They're quite good at Benchdogs as well. Good customer service. I had the original winding screws on here that used to have to use a tool to tighten them up, but the head sheared on them. So I sent them a message, and they sent me the winding ones as well, which was nice of them. So yeah, I like Benchdogs. They're it's just good quality UK craftsmanship, really. Like, well engineered. This I was looking at a few types of rail squares, but this one sort of, well, as soon as he sort of released this one, I believe the guy's name's Ralph, put this on his Instagram page. I was straight on pre-order because I've been waiting. It was very rare. It was reasonably priced, to be honest. Come in a nice bag. I don't think I've got the bag anymore. I think I threw it away, but this is more. Yeah, I use this really for out on jobs and stuff when I'm not in a workshop and can't get things square. But yeah, that is a good purchase. So if you're in for a rail square, I do recommend this. It's beautiful, but just look at it. It's lovely, and this is battered as well. So nice bit of engineering. But anyway, let's get back onto the my new purchases from them. There was a knife. Sorry about the short video last week with a Graco Ultra Max, Ultra even. It was a bit of a busy week last week, so I wanted to get a video out, and I wasn't a bit behind. Probably. I'll tell you what, it's well packaged as well. Well packaged. Right. Any other goodies in there? No, that's empty. Right. So first off, we got some Benchdogs. Now what did I buy before? I think I bought some raildogs, wherever they are. Yeah, I bought some raildogs to connect onto my rail a couple of years ago. They're from Benchdogs as well, good quality. So I did buy some shooty plastic ones, and they snap. So they do the job. But I thought, after using the raildogs, I thought I'd purchase some Benchdogs as well. I've got a few sets of these. Nice bit of quality engineering there. I think they're stainless steel, I believe. Nice little sound. Nice and snug. Beautiful. My MFT top, I think I've over-routed some of the L's, to be honest. But they might need sorting out. Some more raildogs. Don't alternate. Benchdogs either. I think they're called Benchdogs. Lovely. There's that. Beautiful. Smashing. And we have some smaller ones. Got 4 of, what did I get? 6 and 6. So they're just sort of nice and snug. They're just compared to, you know, these. They're just a bit. I've broken so many of these cheaper ones now. I just wanted something a bit more substantial, and they just look nice as well. You know, I've updated all the workshop, so I thought I'd spend a bit of money, and it should be. They're reasonably priced. I can't complain. You know, look at that. Lovely bit of engineering. Engineering is my word of the day, people. Beautiful. I'll leave a link in the description below for people that don't know about Benchdogs, but I'm sure if you're googling it, you know where they are. Right, and then I bought, this is the, oh, let me get the, I'll forget all the names of stuff. Let's get the note out and see what they're all called. Well, I tell you something, they wrap things well. So don't worry about anything not being delivered well packaged from them. Oh, there we go. Right, so we have, a 4x4 set of Benchdogs, and then I bought an extra couple just because I wanted a few. And now the next thing we have is a defence with the flag stops, which I was going to buy some aluminium extrusion, but I think this one, I just wanted this, to be honest. It's all got the measurements on there. Hopefully I bought the right one. I know there's a few on there. Look. Let's have a look at that. There we have it. Look at that. Nice bit of, it is just a bit of 2040 extrusion, but it's a bit blanked off, unlike the other stuff. And this is to go, let's get the, oh, there you go, there's the Benchdogs as well. Loads of stuff. I'll tell you a nice thing about Benchdogs as well. They, so I've used them a couple of times now. They sent me a message on this order saying thank you for your repeat custom, which is a nice little touch, I think. Not really, you know, you don't get that with the big, you don't get that from Screwfix, do you? Right, so there you go. Oh, there's the nuts there. So just see how this all slots together. I'm assuming it's like that on the looks of it. So nut in there. Nice winder in there. There you go. That moves along nice and nicely. I'll probably want, depending on where let me get a rail. Where's my guard rail? Right, I don't know if you see over there. Yeah, you can. So once I get all this is sort of the first start of my MFT top, really. So let me see. Alright, yeah, okay. So if I put that one there, like that, I'll put one there like so. That's nice and tight. I might have to redo this top. I think I learned that. Now that will go like that. So that squares me top up. This one's nice and tight, which is good. I believe that one's tight as well. Sorry for my rambling. You know that by now if you've watched any of my other videos. It's easier to take these nuts out. I don't know. Sorry if I go off camera. I keep doing that. I did that last week with parts in the. It's easy to just take a nut off, in all honesty. There you go. Sorry if I've gone off. There you go. Smashing. Right, so should probably have that one on that one. That one on that one. Enough room. Now I'm gonna sink that in there. That one in the back. And then this will be like so. Not quite sure how that works measurement wise. And then that's butted into there. That's tightened. That's tightened. I've got a bit of slop in that. Must be my holes. I think I'm going to have to make a new bench, I think, unless I've got a tighter hole at the back here. This one's quite all a bit loose. Maybe a bit of tape around those. A bit of tape. Anyway, that's the plan, and that will be my setup for making. Oh, hang on a minute. Where are they gone? Flag stops. So this goes. How does that go? Does that go in there? Okay. So we've got that. Oh, sorry, got a camera again. Nice bit of was that like, I think these are made out of, I think they're 3D printed. I imagine that's so. Everything's 3D printed now, isn't it? Nice solid bit of steel. I remember watching a video a few years back and they were saying it was quite flimsy. So that's nice. That looks nice and solid. Oh, that bit isn't. Maybe that's wrong. Maybe I need to tighten that up a bit. Right, wrong one. This one. So, oh, that 14 minutes of rambling. You guys lucky. You're probably dreared off by now. Probably no one there watching. Talking to myself. There we go. And then I don't know if you can see that from the end, or you can just see it. There you go. And that goes like so. There you go. Beautiful. Lovely. The movement that way. I wonder if I could just tighten that up actually from under. Oh look, we've got some. No, that's there. So, well, there you go. there is my Benchdogs setup that I got from Benchdogs UK. And like I say, they're good quality craftsmanship. And that's pretty much how I'm going to have my setup. And all I've got to do now is make a hinge system to lift that up, which I'm going to use these, oh, not the camera, these stainless steel hinges. And I'm going to weld them to that plate. So the rail guard even. And if you do two together, you should be able to get this to go up and down and get the heights you need. That's another video. So hope that's you found it helpful. You know what you're getting from Benchdogs. I'll leave a link in for all the products below. Like I say, they're very good. You know, it's made in Britain, and it's always good to help UK-based businesses. Any questions? Leave a comment below. Like, subscribe. Don't. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.